Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing craft ideas, DIY projects, and decor tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get inspired and start creating. And organic gardening practices to complement your seasonal garden decor. Sustainable garden decoration not only
Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking to spark your creativity and elevate your
home decor. Woodworking is a timeless craft that combines artistry with functionality, allowing you to create stunning pieces that add warmth and character to any space. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner eager to learn, this guide will introduce you to innovative project ideas that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. From rustic furniture to intricate decor accents, woodworking offers endless possibilities for personalization. The beauty of working with wood lies in its natural textures and grains, which can be highlighted through staining, carving, or finishing techniques. So, grab your tools and let's explore some inspiring woodworking projects that can transform your living space into a cozy, stylish haven. One of the most popular woodworking projects for home decor is creating rustic wooden wall art. This project is perfect for adding a touch of nature-inspired charm to your living room, bedroom, or hallway. To start, select reclaimed or natural wood planks, which bring unique textures and imperfections that enhance the rustic look. Using basic tools like saws and sanders, cut the wood into desired shapes, be it geometric patterns, abstract designs, or even custom lettering. You can further embellish the art piece with paint, stain, or carvings to add depth and personality. Mounting these pieces on the wall creates a focal point that combines craftsmanship with aesthetic appeal. Rustic wooden wall art is not only easy to make but also customizable to fit your style, making it an excellent project for adding warmth and character to your decor. Another fantastic woodworking project idea is crafting handmade wooden coasters. These small, functional items are perfect for everyday use and make lovely gifts for friends and family. To create coasters, select durable hardwoods like oak, maple, or cherry, which resist heat and moisture. Cut the wood into squares or circles, then sand the edges smoothly. Personalize your coasters by engraving designs, initials, or patterns using a wood burner tool or laser engraver. For added protection and aesthetic appeal, apply a food-safe sealant or finish that enhances the natural grain. You can also create a set with different stains or paint accents for variety. Wooden coasters are practical, stylish, and showcase your woodworking skills. Bringing greenery into your home is a wonderful way to enhance your decor. And wooden plant holders are a stylish solution. These projects allow you to combine woodworking with your love for plants. Start by designing simple stand-style holders or hanging planters with a modern or rustic touch. Use sturdy wood like cedar or teak, which are both attractive and durable for outdoor or indoor use. Cut and assemble the pieces with proper joinery, such as dovetail or butt joints, to ensure stability. Creating custom wooden shelves is an ideal woodworking project for both storage and decor enhancement. Whether you want floating shelves or bracket-supported designs, the possibilities are endless. Select quality wood such as walnut or pine, depending on your style preference. Measure and cut the wood to the desired length and thickness, then sand smoothly. For a modern look, opt for clean, minimalist designs with hidden brackets or wall mounts. For a rustic vibe, Use reclaimed wood with visible knots and grains. Finish with stain, paint, or natural oil to match your interior. Wooden serving trays are versatile and stylish projects that elevate your hosting game. Select hardwoods like cherry or walnut for durability and aesthetic appeal. Cut the wood to size, then assemble with handles made from carved or attached wooden pieces for easy carry. Sand thoroughly and finish with a food-safe oil or lacquer to protect against spills and stains. You can add decorative details such as carved borders, inlays, or painted designs to personalize your tray. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration. We truly appreciate your time and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and DIY projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay inspired and keep crafting.